Hello there. Right, now this is quite rare. This is made by a company called Maruzen, and it's the Cock MP5K. This is a gas blowback. Now this particular Airsoft machine pistol, whatever you want to call it, this must be 25 years plus, possibly nearly 30 years old. Now Maruzen, I don't even know if they're still trading. Probably not. I know at the time they made this and they made the Mac 10 Ingram gas blowback. Let's have a look around this. So it's got all the markings, all the welds. It's actually plastic bodied. The only metal on it is the mag. But so all this top receiver is plastic. But all the welds and that, they're done nice, you know. Cocking handle's metal. You cock it like a real thing. It worked when I got it. I bought it off of Power a while ago and it worked, but recently when I've been trying to, it's been letting gas by. So this filling port, it's not holding gas, which is a shame because it's got an amazing rate of fire. Sling point on the back. You can take it down, pull all the pins, it all strips. As you cock it, it opens, as the ejector port opens. Like I say, it's just packed up. I've got to look into it and get it. I've got to get it going because it's a cracking little thing, isn't it? I reckon that's collectible. Maruzen. Let me know if you know they're still trading. I don't think they are. These don't often come up. Like I say, this has got to be nearly 30 years old. Right. And yeah, I'll put it in here. Like that. But yeah, it's nice little thing. Let me know if any of you have got anything Maruzen, any gas blowbacks, any old stuff. Let me know. Just a thumb up. And I'll dig out some of my old vintage Airsoft stuff. Great, isn't it? Right, bye for now.